everyone, welcome to Persian Cuisine. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very old Persian recipe. It's called Jaghool Baghool. It's a very cute name, but it is really Jaghool Baghool. And the way you make it, you need to have onions and you need to have liver. It could be chicken liver, lamb liver, or any kind of liver you like. And the first step is to fry the onion. Of course, this is a street food, and you can, or Persian fast food, you can fry it with the onion, or you can just put it on a skewer and barbecue or grill it. I'm going to do the at-home version, which is with the fried onion. So here is how we started. I have some chopped onions here. I'm going to add a little bit of avocado oil to the onion and let it gently saute and fry together. The reason I use avocado oil is because avocado oil doesn't have any scent and is pretty neutral, and it can tolerate higher temperature. And here's the thing about the liver. I bought this organic liver today. It cannot be kept for a long time because liver is very sensitive. Make sure you buy organic and cook it the day that you buy it. You can make a pate with it as well. And you just cut it to small pieces. Make sure there is nothing suspicious, nothing unusual, and it's all good. This is a beautiful liver. Onion is fried, and I'm going to add the liver pieces to the fried onion. This is going to be a very quick and very delicious food. And after this is done, I'm going to add some salt, pepper, and turmeric at the very last minutes. In this case, you have to bring the temperature to a little bit of a higher temperature, because you want to make sure it is completely cooked. And of course, some people like it a little bit more raw, but I like it completely cooked. This is full of irons and B vitamins, and it's extremely delicious and healthy. And you can have it any time of the day. And some people prefer to eat it with bread. I just like it the way it is because I really want to enjoy the taste of the liver, nothing else, just the liver. After you stir this and fry it for 2-3 minutes, you add the salt and the pepper and a little bit of turmeric, not too much. And then mix them very well. And in a few minutes, you have a very delicious, very nutritious, very yummy dinner. Our beautiful Jaghool Baghool is ready. You can add lemon juice, put it in a flatbread, make a wrap, make a sandwich, and eat it. I remember when I was a child, there was a guy who had a very small car. He was coming to the neighborhood and he had a charcoal barbecue. It was like a small truck he had, and he was selling liver, barbecued liver. That was actually one of my most favorite snacks. I liked it even more than ice cream. And I made it today just to let you know this is very nostalgic, very delicious. I hope you make it and like it, and let me know if you have any questions. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I love you all. Bon appetit and Nusha Jan. But I have to try this before you go. Let me see. It's really good. Really good.